This one's a big boy. I swear I was studying.
兄はガラス兄さんはどこにいるんですか？
何も。
I forgot to put another tissue box in my room, so when I saw this ant crawling on the wall, I just used whatever was at my disposal.
Is we're going to fold up the sheets and we'll fold them one at a time. We're going to tie the knot.
looks so nasty. Ugh.
I wanted to talk briefly about, I found that all of my virtual backgrounds had vanished, but I did have filters.
I never fail to stop being a mess.